Welcome to Geometry Zone. Today we are learning one of the most important shapes in geometry, the triangle. The concept on triangle is very important for all the students from beginner to class 10. If you understand triangles, you understand half of the geometry. Today is my first class on triangle. And from this class, we arrange a series on triangle. So you follow all class systematically and improve your skill to geometry. Our target, you become a hero in geometry. Now, without loss of time, let's start. A triangle is a closed figure bounded by three straight lines. These lines are called the sides of the triangle. Let ABC is any triangle. Here AB, BC and CA are the three sides. When two sides meet, they form a corner point. This point is called a vertex. A triangle has exactly three vertices. In triangle ABC, here A, B and C are the three vertices. A triangle also has three angles. And one of the most important property on the angles of any triangle is the sum of the three angles of any triangle always equal to 180 degree. Now depending on the sides and angles, triangles can be different types. With respect to its sides, equilateral, isosceles, scalene triangle. And with respect to angle, the triangles are acute, right and obtuse. In the series of triangle, each types of the triangle described separately, including all properties. Do you know where we see the triangle in our daily life? Triangles are everywhere around us. In building, bridges, art and design, because they make strong and stable structures. So that the basic idea of a triangle are the three types. One, three sides, three angles and three vertices. Our next class, we discuss about the classification of the triangle with respect to its sides. And this concept, one of the important pillar of the triangle. So you don't miss next class. Thank you. Visit again.